Hey, it's Luxury Fred, and I had to be in Irvine, California for my partner's graduation from UC Irvine, and I found a really cool little hotel called the OC Hotel right on Newport Boulevard in Costa Mesa, but about 2 miles from Newport Beach. It used to be called the Boulevard Hotel. It's pet friendly, and here's a tour of my room at the OC Hotel. So this is the OC Hotel, but I guess it's also called the Boulevard Hotel. It's dog friendly. They welcome Hans. It was pretty cheap, about $100 a night. And you can see we've got 2 beds. I'll show you the pool outside. We do have a nice swimming pool as well as a little spa. And nice room. It's a little motel, but they've totally redone the outside, so it's got really nice paint and trim and finishes and stuff like that. Wow. You know, it's a pretty typical little motel, but they've really done a nice job at kind of fixing it up. And you have these murals here and the surfer here because we're about 15 minutes from the beach. This is actually 2 miles. 2 miles to the beach from Newport Beach. And we have a little microwave, and we have a little refrigerator there. And, you know, a little closet space in the alcove here. I'll show you the bathroom in a second. And you can see we have a little compact bathroom here. And unfortunately, no bathtub, as is the trend at a lot of hotels. But you can see that it's kind of got an upgraded, renovated shower there. Again, it's an old little motel, but they've really done a nice job in terms of upgrading the fixtures and the finishes and things like that. Okay, so that's it. Luxury Fred here from the OC Hotel in Costa Mesa.